Okay, first we are going to go to Google Chrome, and this is going to let us download our folder. What we need to do is click this arrow and download. You'll see over here that it's all going to come up as one file at first, and then once it is downloaded, it will go to my downloads where I can open it from there. Okay, so my file has finished, so what I'm going to do is click Show in Finder. And Macs are easy, so all I need to do is double click. It will open it, and here are all of my photos. So I'm going to click and drag this onto my desktop. Do some fun stuff here. Drag onto the desktop. Okay, and that should be down here now. Let me make sure. Yep, it's right there. Okay, so now I'm going to go to Photoshop. I've opened Photoshop to start a new document. So I go File, New. And if this preset is not to US paper, I'm going to change it to US paper. And I'm going to title this DigitalCollage. I've already got one titled that, so this has to be 2. Oops. Okay. So there pops up my paper. Now I'm going to be placing all of my photos in here. So for that I go to File, Place. This is like inserting a photo. I will find my folder, Mac Photos, and one by one I'm going to do this. Now to make it smaller, I don't want it to get all wonky like this, so I will hold down the Shift key. We'll make them smaller. I can rotate, move. I just want them to be kind of in this area, so when I put my letter over them, they are all like that. So I'm going to place all these, and then I will come back. All of my photos placed, I need to make this all one image so that I can then make it into a letter shape. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the Layers tab up here, go all the way down and flatten image. Okay, and now I need to make sure that I can unlock my background to change it. So I'm going to drag that, make a copy, and delete the initial one. Okay, now this I will be able to edit, move, change. I am going to put a giant letter D over it. Starts my last name. So I'm going to click the text tool, click anywhere on here, and just type my letter. Then I'll go back to this tool that changes it into an object that lets me move it. So now I'm going to type and convert to shape. This is no longer type now, it's just one big shape. Hit Control Command T to make it bigger so it fits over my pictures. Okay, I'll hit Enter to place that there. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky. I want to get rid of all of the parts of the picture that are not in this letter D. I'm going to click over here, my lovely magic wand tool. This will let me select large areas all at once, and making sure that I'm still on this layer, I am going to, why is that not working? Rasterize my layer, I guess. Okay. I'm going to click around the outside, and then holding Shift, I'm going to click the inside. So now I have all of my extra space selected. Now to get rid of everything else, I want to click the eyeball on my letter D. I can see what's going to be showing, and select my background copy layer. Now all I do is click Delete. And that lets me get just my letter D all by itself. Hit Command D And there is all of this. My last thing I'm going to do, go to Layer and flatten my image again. Click OK with this. And there it is. That's how you get your pictures into a letter shape. Make sure you save. I already named it, so it should be there. Put it on my desktop. Save it as a JPEG. Make sure it's a high quality photo.